Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2016 Harley Davidson V-Rod Muscle. The VRSCF 1200cc Harley Davidson and Porsche effort. Last year of the production on the V-Rod. This bike is in awesome condition, only 5,600 miles. It's got an awesome sounding Vance & Hines exhaust, big 240 rear tire, belt drive, 6-speed transmission, 1250 cc's of Harley Davidson torque and power, fuel injected, steel braided lines, twin disc front end braking. This gorgeous silver and black V-Rod. Price to sell, just $12,990. Come by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.